Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Resetting the surface warning light is done with the engine turned off. Switch off the engine on your vehicle and using your left hand, push the button in the lower right hand of the counter. While holding this down, turn on your vehicle without starting the car. Release the button. Release the button once you see services appear on the kilometer reader. Turn the button on the left of the corner to the right. The kilometer reader should appear again. Switch the car off. You can now turn on your engine to check that the revision light has disappeared. Operation completed.